the video.
Luke! Thank you! Say something funny, Gus! Funny, Gus?
Another victory for Happy Ribbons Lady Girl 05. So Happy Ribbons Lady Girl 05 is the newest member of the Fraggles. What are you looking forward to most?
I would have to say sleepovers.
That's not what we're doing here.
Combing our pretty hair.
No.
Talking on the phone about boys. Girls.
Yeah, I would like to take this opportunity to announce the retirement of Happy Ribbon Lady, whatever her name is, from gaming.
I just need to spend more time with my family.
What the heck just happened? Those guys were weirdos.
Her boyfriend was super hot. Didn't. What's next on the agenda? Pillow fight?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, PAX 2010! Make some noise for your favorites, the RoosterTeeth crew! And now presenting up first, you know him as Caboose, Joel Heyman! And you know him as the lovable gruff, Griff, Jeffrey Ramsey! And your favorite old church, Bernie Burns! Our animator extraordinaire, Monty! Everyone's gotta love a Sarge. It's Matt Hullum! And last but certainly not least, you know him as the sexy man you just saw. It is Gustavo Sorolla! Make some noise, Max. You love it.
Man, I've got such a huge boner after watching that video.
Never into that, sir. Okay, so we have a bunch of stuff to show. In fact, we actually made too much stuff to show for our time slot today, so we actually had to cut. No, you can start from this point. I'll take a cut later. But we thought we'd just jump straight into a Q&A if anyone has any questions. Do that for a little bit, and then show the final 2 episodes of Season 8 of Red vs. Blue Revelation. questions. Do we have mics for Q&A?
She's got a notepad. She's not fucking around. You know, when you roll up with a notepad and a pen, there's a lot of pressure on you to ask a super awesome question. Hey,
So Griffballers out front.
What updates are coming to Griffball.com to make it compatible with Reach?
To make it compatible with Reach. First of all, the question was, I missed the very first part, but what updates are coming to Griffball.com to make it compatible with Reach? We don't know, because we don't know how much support Reach is going to have for Griffball. But we'll have to work really quickly, like a lot of people will, as soon as it hits around. We of course want to play the thing from beginning to end, but then we're going to have to go through and figure out what updates we have to make to not only Griffball.com, but to Achievement Hunter and a lot of other things as well. So we'll be making them fast and furious, and we're going to be relying on all of you in the community to tell us what we're doing wrong.
I'll take care of the furious side of Fast and Furious for you.
Oh. You know, we can't ever get Gus to stop wearing the wig around the office now.
It just feels right.
It doesn't look that good.
Hey, I'm looking at this in the mirror, in the little monitor here. When did you, Matt, and I start dressing like dinner?
I don't know. My wife dresses me, so I hope
Your wife dresses me too?
No. What's the easy setups? Yes, sir.
Oh, hi. Sorry. Are you done answering your question? I was just making sure.
What's that?
Are you done, Matt, answering your question?
Yes. Are we done?
Was that your question?
No. Yes.
What's next?
Actually, I just had a quick question about voiceovers. I don't know if you guys did any coaching before you did voice acting, or did the voice acting come with the experience of doing RPD?
Joel, you want to take that?
I think it's like everyone came into it differently. So I think some people went through the process and sort of picked up stuff, and other people started out really terrible like myself and then got better.
Yeah, Joel would be the only classically trained voice actor in the group, I guess, because he actually went to college. Yeah, the rest of us, it's not hard. It's like this a lot. You just talk in front of a mic.
Thank you.
And we tailor the writing to match people's voice acting abilities too. Like whatever. If I want someone to scream like this, it's always Griff. So.
Okay, I'm going to try not to inadvertently insult any of my idols this time, so I'll keep it simple. Your series is irrepressibly quotable. What's each of yours favorite line from the series?
I think my favorite line is probably from the Real Life versus Internet PSA. It's, I hate you and I hate the bands that you like. I find it very fitting.
I think Lonnie's favorite line is probably "Pow." No, Matt.
I don't know, Sarge seems to have so many good ones. I've been lucky with that. But I always liked, we're not retreating!